Out of Onitsha, Anambra State, lived an extraordinary individual, Hezekiah Okoro Nweje, affectionately known as Holy Nweje. Born in 1919, Nweje was an Anglican priest renowned for his remarkable humility, righteousness and selflessness. Nweje's life is a testament to his unwavering devotion to God and humanity. He lived a simple, unassuming life, always willing to share his resources with those in need. His philosophy was rooted in the belief that true wealth lies in sharing what one has rather than accumulating riches. One notable instance of Nweje's selflessness was when he declined the nomination for the position of Anglican bishop on the Niger. Instead, he recommended someone he believed was more qualified than him. This act of humility and integrity earned him greater respect and admiration from his community. Nweje's commitment to peace and justice was evident in his role as a mediator in a land dispute between Onitsha and Obosi in 1956. His wise words, "Anibwani Chukwu," the land is that of the Lord, brought an end to the conflict, demonstrating his ability to bring people together and find peaceful solutions. Another very remarkable thing about him is his compassion and empathy. This tells story of how he responded to thieves who stole from his house. Instead of pursuing them in anger, he ran after them, offering them more food, citing hunger as the reason for their action. This extraordinary portrayal of kindness and understanding has become a legendary tale, inspiring generations to emulate his example. Today, Holy Nweje's legacy lives on, and his name has become synonymous to humility, righteousness, and compassion. In Igbo land, being called Holy Nweje is a badge of honor, signifying that one is a person of integrity and good character. A street in Onitsha, Nweje Lane, has been named in his honor, ensuring that his memory continues to inspire the future generation. Tell me in the comments.